Anong parte ng inyong provision na pinapayagan nyo ang late registration? Like for the example of Mayor Alice Guan, 17 years, saka lang siya na-register. How is that so? Why did you allow it? Can you kindly explain on this committee? Anong provision ng PSA nakalabas na pwede tayo magkaroon ng late registration as long as this kind of situation that Mayor Alice Guan go have encountered 17 years tapos niregister natin? Correct, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Siguro 40 years ka doon, nasa PSA ka na. Have you encountered this issue of Alice Go? Late registration? Ano po yung policy po natin sa late registration?
Meron po kami procedure on the late registration. Actually, we consider po na timely ang registration within, kapag narehistro siya within 30 days.
Within?
Upon birth po. Dapat na i-register siya in 30 days po. So we consider that timely. If na,
So no matter how long you've been in the country, kahit na 30 years ka na, pwede ka pa rin mag-late registration. Is that the policy?
meron pong, yes, meron pong late registration procedure na dapat i-comply po nila yung
Can you kindly give us the provision of your policy on the late registration? So wala siyang capture na time element. Na for example, kailangan hanggang 5 years ka lang.
O, sa ngayon po, wala pong, wala. Basta after ng reglementary period, if talaga magre-register po, yun po yung considered na delayed registration.
So who is the head of that registrar na nag-upload noong mga documents coming from the LCR? Sinong head sa PSA?
Sa ngayon po, meron kaming civil registration service. Na
Sino nga po ang head?
Si Assistant National Statistician Marisa Grande.
Ilang taon na po siya doon?
Hindi ko...
Sir, Mr. Chairman, can we invite that person from the PSA as well? Because we need to find out the culpability of our government agencies that deal with the approval of the PSA, you know? Kasi nakikita natin dito baka malaki tong sitwasyon na to, Mr. Chairman. And that's the reason why we wanted to invite those people who are responsible for receiving the copies coming from the LCR. Tingnan po natin yung kung sino ang mga ito. At especially sa province ng sa banang galing? May Kawayan, Bulacan. Sila yung depository. Sino yung head ng depository nyo? We need to invite them, Mr. Chairman, to shed light on this matter. Kasi kitang-kita po natin na may problema doon sa transmission eh. Kung depository lamang sila, dapat talagang magre-reflect lang kung ano nang gagaling sa mga civil registrar. Pero kung meron ngayon nakakasingit, ang problema nasa PSA, depository, nasa inyong problema.